Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe on your laptop. First, you'll want to download the Creative Cloud desktop application directly from Adobe's official website. Once downloaded, sign in using your existing Adobe ID or easily create a new account if you're a first-time user. From the Creative Cloud app, you can then select and install the specific Adobe applications you need, like Photoshop or Premiere Pro. Always double-check that your laptop meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Once your Adobe application is installed, it's time to get comfortable with its interface. You'll notice a main menu bar at the top, offering essential functions. On the left and right, you'll find various tool panels, each serving a specific purpose, such as layers or properties. A great tip is to customize your workspace by dragging and dropping panels to suit your preferences, then saving your custom layout. Mastering common keyboard shortcuts can save you many hours of work. Now, let's dive into some essential tools. Selection tools are fundamental for isolating and manipulating specific parts of your image or video. Layers are incredibly important. They allow you to organize your project elements and make edits without permanently altering the original content. Adjustment layers offer powerful ways to correct colors and tones across your entire project or just specific areas. Don't forget to experiment with brushes and pens for drawing and creating precise shapes. Finally, saving and exporting your hard work is crucial. Always remember to save your project files frequently in their native Adobe format, like A, PSD for Photoshop, or N, AI for Illustrator. When you're ready to share or publish, explore the diverse export options available. You'll want to select the correct file format, such as a JPEG for web use or a high-resolution TIFF for professional printing. Pay close attention to optimizing file size versus quality for efficient sharing and storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.